Super excited about this delivery today. This is the Shimoda Urban Explore, which I backed on Kickstarter, and it just got delivered and I can't wait to see it. This is the 20 liter, the smallest one of the Shimoda Urban Explorer. I have seen some videos about it, but it's the first time I'm seeing it in real life. I'm already liking the color. So I had the Shimoda 25 liter Explorer, and it was just a bit too big for me, and I wasn't really happy with the straps. And I'll go into that all when I do a full review on this. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and to show you what this looks like. I paid for this with my own money. Backed it the Kickstarter campaign just like everybody else did. And I'll just take a quick look at it. I do like the color of it. It's definitely a khaki color, and it's Cordura Recore. It's nice and lightweight. I love the zipper pulls on this. This is really nice. And I like the way that this fabric feels. It's definitely more of an urban feel than the Shimoda Explorer, but I like the fact that they've kept a lot of the benefits of it, including this new piece here on the strap where you can actually put a camera clip on here. This is really the perfect size for me for just going around here in town and doing some photo walks, which I've been really wanting to do. These are really nice. So this is the 20 liter, so it's got the very, very small kit. And it's got the side access panel. I'll show all of that when I do a review of this, but I just wanted to show you it comes with all these extras. You can really customize. Well, that's what it looks like if you wanted to see. You could see a couple little imperfections in the Cordura, but I think that's just going to be how it goes with this type of material. I think the straps here are great. I like all of this padding on here. Very nice. Okay, that's all I'm going to show you for now. I'll do a full review very soon. Thanks.